Mother Nature is the ultimate inspiration. When you are feeling sluggish, simply walking outside and getting fresh air can do wonders for your mood and outlook. Often, nature beauty can take your breath away. I always feel attracted towards nature, especially mountains, valleys, trees. Hello, creative people. Many of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram social media. My name is Mohini Sinha, and I am an acrylic artist and nature lover. So, this nature lover has created one exciting tutorial for you guys, that is easy seascape painting with acrylic medium. You will love the outcome if you follow each and every step that I have shown you in the complete lesson. So in this class, I'll share with you guys what all tools we will be needing for the complete painting, then the blending of technique to give a smooth texture to the background, then the detailing of the water using layering method, then two types of clouds, creating splash water texture, and complete detailing of realistic palm tree. And finally, our painting is ready. So this is the painting which we will be creating in our class. It is step-by-step technique and I hope you guys like it. So I'm really excited to share this painting with you guys. I hope you are also. So let's don't waste our time and start with it.